spin me around, lift me up on.
Yeah, hey, ready or not, here I come. Skinny boy, money big, FIFA from. Never back down, never did I run. We don't throw hands, better get that gun. But I won't miss, I'm a little boy slum. I can bet $1 million, he don't want none. Thought shit sweet turn.
Welcome to the Zach Talks TV channel. Today we'll be exploring the Earth Day celebration here in Fort Thomas, Kentucky. Make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss an episode. I'm your host, Zach Talks TV. Let's get into it.
I think it's funny. I see in the morning with coffee, but I don't wear my glasses in the morning. It's a little closer. Yeah. All right. And then you can even take Liz wings. All right.
Is that a camera?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's a bird,
That's
the
lowest one I've ever seen.
It's called a GoPro.
I'll have a first the bird.
Cheaper than
Plus, when you're carving, it smells like fried chicken.
Didn't you hear when she walked up? She goes, "I speak for the twins." She got them all in on it.
What I'm doing to make a difference on
So I just honestly, I like it better.
Stay a while before I go. Won't you take my hand, spin me around, lift me up off the ground, and set me down slow. Won't you come and dance? To say goodbye.
Sign up for scouts. Come in this way. I'm coming from that too. Yeah.
We'll say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for listening.
Looks like they got 2, 4.
Pomegranate, green iced tea with the alligator snapper fox. It's a lot of common insect species. Common snapper.
Wasn't she right here?
One. I don't know who that's for, but someone's eating them. Yeah, alligator snapper. That one's probably only about 10 years old. Still pretty early. Is there a...
I do. Yes. Same class.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick tour of Earth Day here at Tower Park in Kentucky. Make sure you guys remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss an episode. Until next time, cheers.
Down slow.